You wanted it, so you got it. Extreme current. Trucker trailering the boat. Stay tuned. Trucker trailering the boat in extreme current. You see those white caps. Now watch how a professional gets it done. Let's go. It's just me. I'm all I got. And that's how you get it done, ladies and gentlemen. Extreme current. I'm by myself. You said I couldn't trailer the trailer. You see where this boat is at. Done. Uh-oh. Hopefully I get down without falling in the water. Oh, yeah. Trucker out.